Hi there, I'm going to show you how to rise a cask for whisky. So a cask, the end of a cask or the top of the cask is held together with wooden dowels or else tongue and grooved. But the cask itself is held together with pressure. So this is called rising a cask. This is a 54-gallon hogshead. So you bring it out, start here, and it's all pressure. So you first want to hold your hoop, then you hold the next one with your left knee, as I'm right-handed, and you just keep filling them in, placing them together, keeping pressure on with your knee, and it will hold the cask up. A lot of people think casks are held together with dowels or tongue and grooved, but they're held together with the pressure of the hoops, which holds them. And rising them, you just keep the pressure on your knee and it'll keep the cask steady. You might see that I've numbered the staves. This is just to put them back to the original joints, which will give you a better seal. See, always keeping pressure with your knee. Keep the cask steady. So just keep your knee out. I'm holding the pressure now with my two fingers. Let's put this stave in. You'll notice the staves usually should go broad, narrow. It gives you a better shape. If you have too many narrows, it will go what you call high. Too many broad staves together, it will go flat. So we get it that, so it will still hold fine. We get this other truss hoop. Put it on. Just chop it out. Give it a wee shake, just look to see if it's straight. That looks straight to me. Get your hammer, and chop up. Find the lowest stave. Always keep it tight. And that's it, levelled off. So as you see, you can come in, look, it's levelled. So the groove here, which is called a crow's, will accommodate the end. This being the end here, that will fit into the crow's. So you need to get, this is called a bowl tube. Take your rising hoop off. This is called a quarter hoop. So you get your end, place it there. Just knock it into the crow's. So nowadays they use molten wax to put round the end here. We don't have that, so traditionally you would use this, which is called a flag. It's a bulrush, and you put that in between the crow's and the end. Like so, and you do it right round, and you put your end hoop on. and the cask starts becoming solid again. Then I would flip it over and do it the other side. That's how you rise a cask.